Welcome students. As you can see here, uh, here I have written chapter 7 triangles. So we are going to start this chapter today, but we will not directly go to question. We will have to learn important terms, important conditions, important formulas, everything. Okay, so we have to have strong concept before we go to the questions. Just solving questions are not enough. You have to have basic concept, strong basic concept. Okay, so in this chapter every questions revolves around these four conditions. That means that one, as you can see, Roman number 1 SAS, Roman number 2 triple S, Roman number 3 ASA, Roman number 4 RHS. Now what exactly are these? We'll have to learn this. Okay, before talking about the things that I've drawn here, it would be better if we talk about daily life activities that you see. Okay, so imagine you take your maths book. Suppose you are taking your maths book, and suppose just say I am just taking some name like suppose Mosam. You have taken your maths book, and you also take suppose Sahil's book. Now if you keep this book one above another, do you think one book will be bigger and one book will be smaller? Definitely no. Why? See, when they had printed this maths book, covers, pages, everything, they had printed of the same size, not it? In Mossam's your book, in your front cover, there are four sides. If we just talk about front cover, there are four sides. Okay, then there are many pages inside the book. Then at the end, there are again you have four sides. Similarly, in Sahil's book, front cover, four sides. In between there are many pages. At the last there is four sides. Okay, so everything is same here. Number of pages is same, then number of sides is same. Definitely same to same means what? They will cover easily. I mean they will be same, no difference. So they will be neither smaller neither big. They will be placed perfectly one above another. Okay, this can happen with any same shape, same size. Okay, now consider about 1 rupee coin or 5 rupees coin. Okay, so if you take your 1 rupee coin and put another 1 rupee coin above this, do you think both of them will be of different size? No. Both these 1 rupee coin will cover one another exactly, neither big nor smaller. They will cover perfectly, isn't it? So similarly, both these book example and coin example, they are covering one another mainly because of two reasons. They are having same shape. That means when you talk about book, they were having a cuboid shape. Okay, and then coin, they are having round shape or circular shape. Okay, this is one reason. Another reason is that both of them are of the same size. That coin, 1 rupee coin, both are of the same size. That's why they are covering. And book, they are also of the same size. That's why they are covering. So now come to this word, congruence of triangles. Congruence of triangle means what? That means equal triangles whose shapes and size are both same. I've already given you example about this book and coin. From there you can easily understand what is congruence of triangle. Congruence means equal. Congruence means equal of anything. Okay, and here they have added triangle. So equal triangles whose shapes and size are both same. Okay, all right. But to know that two triangles are congruent, we have to understand these four conditions properly. Okay, so first one is SAS, and SAS stands for side angle side, as you can see here. So in this chapter, in every questions you will get two triangles. Okay, all right. In some questions you will see two triangles like this separately, or in other questions you will see one big triangle where they will give two triangles. All right, so Roman number 1, first triangle is ABC and second triangle is DEF. And you know, in triangle, whenever we give something like this, this one and this one, that means these two sides are equal. Okay, and next you see in BC there are two bars, in EF also two bars, that means these two are equal. And you see here in B I have given angle, in E I have given angle. So how many different conditions we have got, or I can say instead of conditions, how many different proofs we have got? First of all, AB equal to DE. We'll take it as side side. Look, AB and DE are side. Then BC and EF, they are side. So we have got two sides, is not it? Then that angle B and angle E, they are angle. So we have got two sides and one angle. Alright. So these three, if we put together, we get like this, SAS. So we have got these three proofs. That's why if we get three proofs, then we can write this one, triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. You see, after triangle ABC, you may see something unfamiliar here. Don't worry, this is just a sign of congruence. How you should write this, or how you should draw this? First of all, you'll write triangle ABC, okay? Then you will write normal equal, and normal above this normal equal, you just give the sign of bird that you have drawn in lower classes. Look, you usually do like this. Whenever you draw bird something, you do like this. Okay, small bird. So that's what you can do here. Triangle ABC equal, then above equal you can give this small bird, then triangle DEF. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Similar in Roman number 2. See, SSS means side side side. So you'll be getting two triangles, and in AB I have given one bar, in DE I have given one bar, that means they're equal. BC I have given 2 bar, EF 2 bar, AC 3 bar, then DF 3 bar. So all are side. I have not given any angle sign here. See, inside the triangle I have not given here in second case. In first case I have given angle in B and E. That's why our condition was side angle side. At least one angle will be there in Roman number 1. In Roman number 2, I have written everything side side side. So no chance of angle. That's why I have not given any equal angle sign here. So triangle ABC, triangle DEF, congruent to triangle DEF. Similar in Roman number 3, angle side angle. That means you will see two angles inside a triangle. So here you see in triangle ABC. First of all, okay, let's talk about side only. You are more familiar with side. In triangle ABC, I have given 1 bar in BC, and in EF 1 bar. Okay. Then again in triangle B, I have given angle actually. I have given angle actually. And then after that, after giving angle, I have given I had drawn 1 bar. Okay, then in angle E also same thing. First of all I gave angle, then 1 bar. That means what? These two angles are equal, common sense. Then again in angle C, you see, I have given angle first, then 2 bar. In F, angle first, then 2 bar. So angle side angle, that means what? Two angles will be there on one side. That's what we have got. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Number 4, this is little different, but you already know about right triangle. So that will make it easier for you. So RHS stand for not right hand side this time, don't write right hand side. Many people confuse with right hand side, but whenever we are doing about triangle, right hand side does not come. Full form is right angle, hypotenuse and side. R for right angle, H for hypotenuse, S for side. So in triangle ABC, first of all, here you can see B symbol. There is, I don't know, you better know than me. So B, I can't say anything about B. And here in E also, I don't have many of this sign, you'll better know. And BC, I given 1 bar, EF 1 bar, AC 2 bar, DAF 2 bar. It means what? All these are equal to one another. That's why we written triangle AB is congruent to triangle DEF. So these four are very, very important. If you don't know these four, then you cannot have clarity when you start questions. So try to understand this topic again and again and again. See this video again and again. Okay. Then next, finally, I have written CPCT. This also a full form. Full form is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay. Here I have not drawn separate diagram for this. This topic, this particular condition, you will be more clearer when you go to question. Okay. So this was about introduction part for starting chapter 7, that is triangle. So do watch this video again and again. Alright. I'll start question in the next video.